morning, children. Hope all of you are fit and fine. Dear children, today we are going to learn least common multiple LCM of the given numbers using prime factor method. First, we need to discuss what do we mean by prime factor. We already know a number may have composite factors, may have prime factors. Two types of factors a number has. Some of them are prime, some of them are composites, and of course there is one always which is neither prime nor composite. So writing a number in the form of the product of its prime factors is called prime factorization of the given number. When we write a number as the product of its prime factors, we call it prime factorization. Let us take two numbers, say 8 and 12, and try to write these numbers as the product of their prime factors. How do we do it? See, this one you would have done in your earlier classes. 8. Write this 8 as a product of two numbers such that one of them is prime, and it is 2 into 4. 2 is the smallest prime number. Now this 4 is composite. Now write this 4 as the product of two numbers such that one of them is prime. Here we have got both of them as prime numbers. So we can say 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. Check it. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, and all the factors are prime. So is the case with 12 also. 2 into 6, 2 into 3, and 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Of course, another way is also for doing the prime factorization of the numbers. 8, divide this 8 by the smallest prime number if it is divisible. Here 8 is divisible by the smallest prime number 2, so I have taken this 2 and divide this number by this 2 and write the quotient here. 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, and again you get the same thing, 2 into 2 into 2. 12, 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6, isn't it? 2 into 2 into 3. Now two numbers 2 and 3 are factors here. In this line 2 comes 3 times. Write 2, better put a dash here. 2 3 times, isn't it? You can also put sign of equality, equal to, no problem. And here you see 2 comes 2 times and 3 comes only once. Now the LCM of the given numbers, how do we get it? The LCM of the given numbers is product of all the factors with maximum or highest power of it, that is appearing maximum time. Here LCM of 8 and 12 is equal to the maximum power, or the factor appears maximum number of times. Here it is 3 times and here it is 2 times. So we will take 2 3 times and 2 is gone. Now remaining is 3, 3 is 1 time. Now solve it. 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times 2 and 3, that is 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 3 ja 24. Dear children, in our previous video we had learned to find the least common multiple by writing the multiples of the given numbers. You can check it using that way. You can see The multiples of the larger number is 12. 12 is not divisible by 8. 12 to the 24. 24 is divisible by 8. So of course 24 is the LCM of the given numbers, isn't it? If you learn to solve a particular problem in different ways, you will enjoy more and more. Let us take next numbers, and the numbers are 16, 20 and 24. Our first step, write the given numbers as the product of their prime factors. 16, 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4. So 16 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Check it. If the product of the factors is equal to this number, only then your prime factorization is correct. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. Yes. Now 20. 2 10 ja 20, 2 5 ja 10. Yes, and we have got a prime number here. So stop it there itself. 2 into 2 into 5. 5 2 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20. And next number is 24. 2 12, 2 6 2 3. 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. Yes. Now our second step is to write how many times do these factors 2, 3 and 5 appear here. In this line, 2 appears 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times. Here we have 2 times and 5 only 1 time. In this line we have 2, 1, 2, 3. 3 times and 3 only 1 time. And as we have already discussed, the LCM of the given numbers is the product of its all the factors with maximum number of times appearing as the factors. Here 2 is 4 times, here it is 2 times, and here it is 3 times. So we will take 4 times LCM of 16, 20 and 24 equal to 2 4 times into 5. Not in this line, not in this line. So 5 raised to the power of 1 and 3 ones. Now it is 4 times 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. Find the product. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 5 ja 80, 83 ja 240. Dear children, you can check no number less than 240 is exactly divisible by 16, 20 and 24. तो हमने किया क्या? हमने किया कि पहले नंबर सबका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन किया, फिर उसको प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म में लिखा, प्राइम फैक्टर्स के प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म में। फिर हमने लिखा कि किस लाइन में कोई फैक्टर सबसे ज़्यादा बार है, वो पहले लिख दिया कि कितनी बार है। आसानी हो गई काम। आप अगर यही देख कर तय कर सकते हैं कि ये 4 बार है, 2 बार है, 3 बार है, तो 4 बार लिखा हमने यहाँ 4 बार। आप फिर छोड़ना किसी फैक्टर को नहीं। 5 एक ही बार था, 5 लिखा। 3 एक बार था, 3 लिखा। हमने कर लिया, मल्टीप्लाई किया एंड वी गॉट 240। जरा चेक करते हैं यूजिंग कॉमन मल्टीपल मेथड। अब हम लोग सीखे हैं और हम करेंगे जो लार्जेस्ट नंबर है उसी का पहले लिखना शुरू करेंगे। 16, 20 24. First product 24, 24 1s are 24. This 24 is divisible neither by 16 nor by 20. So next 24 2s are 48. 48 is divisible by 16, 16 3s are 48 but not by 20. So next is 72. 72 is not divisible by either of the numbers. Next is 24 4s are 96. This 96 is divisible by 16, 16 6s are 96 but it is not divisible by 20. Next 120. 26s are 120. It is, but it is not divisible by 16. So we will have to proceed further. 144. 16 9s are 144, but it is not divisible by 20. So even more you will have to proceed further. 68 not divisible by either numbers. Next is 68 plus 20, 88 and 4, 192 divided by 16. 16 1s are 16, 3 2, 16 2s are 32. It is divisible by 16 but not by 20. You better, even in most of the cases, see, you need not check by 16. If this number is not divisible by 20, so you do not check it by 16. Next number is 216. 216 again it is not divisible by 20, so we are not going to check its divisibility by 16. Next is 240. It is divisible by 20 and only then we check whether it is divisible by 16 or not. Check it here. 240 divided by 16. 16 1s are 16. 8 0 16 5s are 80. Yes, it is. And so this is your required LCM that we have calculated using this prime factor method. Isn't it interesting? ये लर्निंग का आनंद है, लर्निंग की खुशी है कि आप कम काम करते हैं. जो सबसे बड़ा नंबर था आपने सिर्फ उसका मल्टीपल लिखा और बस ध्यान यही रखा कि जो हम लिख रहे हैं वो ये दोनों से डिविजिबल है या नहीं. जहाँ कहीं मिल जाए दोनों से डिविजिबल, वही वो आपका LCM हो जाएगा. दैट इज योर गोइंग टू बी रिजल्ट. डियर चिल्ड्रन, आई होप यू एंजॉयड द लर्निंग. In our next class, we will learn to find the LCM of the given numbers using another method. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.